Would you like to make money on Digistore24 without paid advertising? Well, today you will learn exactly how to do just that. These methods will work regardless if you're a complete beginner, or maybe you've been struggling to get consistent results online. Make sure to watch this video to the end, because I'm also going to share with you what I did to generate my very first $951.87 right online. Welcome back to another video on my channel. And if you enjoy videos like this about how to grow an online business, how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button right here so that this way you can be notified whenever there is a new video on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about how to make money on Digistore24 without doing paid advertising. So the very first thing that you'll want to do before you do anything else is you'll want to head on over to Digistore24.com and you'll want to go ahead and set up a free account. So to do that, you just click on this button right here, start now, it's free to sign up, or there's also the button right here in the top right that says register now. When you click on that button, it'll take you through a step-by-step process on, some basic information that you'll need to fill out, name, email, phone number, address, yada yada, all that type of basic stuff. So you just want to fill out that basic information, and then once you get signed in, then you'll be brought right over to this page right here where you can see exactly what is inside Digistore24. Now, one other thing that I'd also like to recommend is right under this account tab, there is this option right here that says payout account. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on this option right here, and it's going to have you fill in some information on how would you like to get paid out, that type of stuff. So I think it pays out through like PayPal, wire transfer, those options right there. But once you get all that set up, then you could start deciding what you want to promote inside of Digistore24. So Digistore24 is a fairly massive marketplace, very similar to ClickBank. They've got a whole bunch of different products in many different niches, like betting systems, computers, business and investment, computer and internet. They got the dating niche in here. They've got family and kids, fitness and health, games and fun, green products, internet marketing, and e-business. So there's a whole bunch of niches that you could, of course, get into when it comes to promoting Digistore24 products. And what we, of course, want to do is you want to determine the niche that you want to go into. Now, in my experience and from what I've seen, the biggest niches that you could, of course, get in with the biggest earning potential is anything relating to online business or make money online. There is health and wellness, and then there's also the dating niche right here. So these three things, I think you and I can all agree that as long as the internet exists, there's always going to be thousands of people coming online every single day looking for new information on how to get into better shape, how to make more money online, how to find the love of their life. People are always looking up these things online, and if you have a great product that solves that big need, then you could definitely make some money that way. So for this example, I'm going to go with the health and fitness niche right here. So this is, of course, a really big one right here, and they've got a ton of products right here, like HSV Eraser, the best on the market. So I don't really know exactly what this product is all about, but if we click on this link right here that says sales page, this will pretty much give a better idea on what you, of course, expect with this. So they've got a video that pretty much explains what it's all about. And then they also have the buy button, which it looks like in this case it costs 67 bucks right there. So pretty cool. And if you were to promote this product, you would get a 75% commission, which would pay you a commission of $40.60. So not bad for one sale. If you can get, maybe 3 sales of this a day, you'd be at a little over 100 bucks. And they've got a few other products down here. But let's say that you wanted to promote this offer right here. You can simply click on the promote now button, and this will give you your own affiliate link. So how this all works is anytime someone goes through this link, which would be your affiliate link, and they decide to buy that product, you will then get paid that commission. So because right here it's got my Digistore username right here, it would then get tracked back to me, and they would know that I was, of course, the one that referred them to this specific product right here. Now, for full transparency, I have not actually tested out this product for myself. This could be total absolute garbage for all I know, but let's say that you decide to learn more about this, you tested it out, you made sure that it was good, and you feel that it could help other people, so you decided to, share it with other people. There are 3 ways you can go about it when it comes to promoting your affiliate offer online. So the very first method would be doing Instagram. Now, what you could do here is you could set up an Instagram page about the niche that you're going into. So for example, if you are getting into the health and fitness niche, what you could do is you could look at different influencers in the health and fitness, like this one, for example, Pure Health and Fitness. He's got a following of 133,000 followers, so pretty good. And this is all about information on how to get into better shape. What's this right here? Me before Corona, me after quarantine, thanks to this amazing home workout out. That's pretty funny right there. But anyways, yeah, so this is pretty much all about health and fitness and that type of stuff. And what you could do is you could build up an audience organically by putting up content about health and fitness. So what you could do is you could take inspiration from pages like these, Pure Health and Fitness. You could even share some of the photos that they have. Of course, what you would want to do is give credit to the original, page. And as you are doing that, as you're putting up lots of content, then what will happen is you will start to build up an audience of people that, that they like your stuff. They see that you're putting up lots of value. And then you could then choose to recommend a specific product. So how you could do that is you could have a link right here. So it looks like in this case he has like a recommendation: download the fitness app below, and then there's this link right here that when someone of course goes to this, they download whatever resource he's offering, he of course gets paid some commission right there. So that's pretty much how that all works. So Instagram is one very great platform to consider using, and this is a platform that millions of people are visiting every single day. They're using and they're going into many different niches right there. So Instagram is one method that you can go about it. Another one is with Facebook. So the benefit with Facebook is that pretty much I think it's the half the world's population is on Facebook. I don't know the exact amount right there, but what you could do is you can go into groups about your niche. So for example, health and wellness, if I look that up, this will bring up a bunch of different groups that are in that specific niche. And there's this one right here that has over 13,000 members right here. So this is 13,000 people that you can get in front of, just like that are interested in health and wellness, that are interested in getting into better shape, all that type of stuff. And you could do things like, you could put up a post, you could share things like this, share things that you're of course learning. And then what you could also do is you could build up personal connections. So you can go into this part right here where it says members. So this has the specific amount of members. So if I look down here, so this is this section right here. It says new to the group, and it shows a whole bunch of people that just joined an hour ago, from the time that I'm of course filming this, 3 hours ago. And these are all people that are interested in health and wellness because they showed an interest. They've joined the group, which obviously means that they are interested, at least to some extent, to get into better shape, to look better, to feel better, all that type of stuff. So what you could do is you could hover over each of these profiles, and then you could decide to add them as a friend. You could send them a message. You could build up a personal connection that way. And then if you find that they are struggling with something, you can make a recommendation and say that, hey, I found this great product on Digistore24. I've gotten great results from it. I know it's helped a lot of other people, and would you be open to checking it out? So a lot of people, if they're interested in that specific result, then they would be open to checking out this offer or whatever else that you have to offer on Digistore24. So there's a whole bunch of things you could of course recommend, but Facebook is another great example. You could build up a following of people that are interested in what you have to offer. And Facebook, again, it's a great place to go because there are millions of people on Facebook every single day. And a lot of them, they are struggling with something, right? So if you have that solution, then this is a great way to go about it when it comes to offering that specific solution right there. But the third method is probably my favorite one. It is by doing YouTube. Now, with YouTube, I strongly believe that YouTube is hands down the most targeted traffic that you could really get out there. It's easily the most highest quality traffic because, well, for so many reasons, right? YouTube is, instead of, people looking at photos or reading something. With YouTube, people watch videos. So let's say that you put up a video about, your specific product. Let's say that you talk about, health and wellness or something about that for like 10 minutes, right? And someone, searches up into YouTube how to get in a better shape, right? That type of stuff right there. And they find your video where you pretty much go over exactly what that's all about. And, you share some great information. They're getting lots of value. And after, at the end of your video, you say, hey, I hope you've found lots of value in this video. If you'd like to learn more about how to get in a better shape, if you want more of a in-depth training that will show you how to get this specific body shape, if you want to learn how to get six-pack abs, all you have to do is click the link in the description down below, and you'll get you could of course check out when I'm, whatever it is that you're of course recommending there. Or what you could even do is you could do something like product review. So in this case, there's this product right here that is called HSV Eraser. So let's say that I looked this up on YouTube, HSV Eraser review. So anyone who looks up HSV Eraser review, these are going to be people that are super interested in this product. When someone searches up product name plus review, then this obviously means that they're going to be highly interested in checking out, whatever it is that, that's all about right there. So if you have a video review that pretty much goes over, what the product's all about, like in this case, it looks like there's a few reviews of it out right there. But if you decide to create a video review and you pretty much explain what it's all about, your experience with it, how it's helped you, how it could of course help them, the viewer, then this is a very great way to get lots of highly targeted traffic over to your offer. Because, again, this is search traffic. Someone searches up something very specific. If they find your video, that's someone requesting information to learn more about what it is that it's all about right there. So this isn't just, some random person that, just joined one Facebook group and said, okay, yeah, I'm interested in health and wellness, or, okay, I'm part of, this page, so I'm interested in getting in a better shape. This is someone who looked up specifically product name plus review, and it could be, that specific product that you're reviewing. So if you have a review out there that pretty much goes over exactly what it's all about, how it could help them, all that type of stuff, this is some of the best ways to get very high quality traffic to your offer that you're promoting. So YouTube is actually what I primarily focused on for like the past, 6 months or something. And this right here, this method, what I was doing is for the past 6 months, I was putting up lots of content about, the niche that I was going into, and, pretty much going over, pretty much what all that's about. So as you can see right here, I've got a lot of videos that I put up over the past few months and about, what it was that I was, of course, promoting. And then in my video description, I would have a link to where I would recommend, to my #1 recommendation right here. So this led me to earning my very first, I think, $951.87, I believe it was. So right here, I did a video not too long ago about how I made my very first $722 online, and in 1 cent right there. And then also, shortly after posting this video, by the way, never mind the green little tent here that my computer's glitching up. Also, I got 2 more emails of 2 more sales that I had made, one of which was $85.98, and the other was $143.88 right there. So again, this all came as the result of being consistent with YouTube. And again, this is a free traffic source. Well, each of these 3 are free traffic sources right there. But anyways, I hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about how to build an online business, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing step by step, and you want to be able to get those long-term results, all you have to do is click the first link down below, which is this link right here, and it'll take you over to this page where it'll show you, it's a free training that I put together, a free 4-day training that will show you how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So this is a 4-day training that I put together, and all you have to do to get access to this is enter your first name and email right here, and then click on the button that says, yes, I'd like instant access. And from there, you'll have instant access to video #1, and for the next 4 days, you get a new video from me. But anyways, hope you got lots of value from this video. Be sure to give this a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you always get notified whenever there's a new video. Anyways, take care.